Hey, there are people dumber than you that are making more than $10,000 a month. In fact, there are people dumber than you that are making millions and millions per year. I'm not saying this because I read it somewhere, but because I met these people in real life, right? So I legitimately know people that are very dumb, right? In a traditional sense, of course, but they are making lots of money. So the question is, if that's true, then the world paradigm that most of us have, that we need to be smart, we need to make smart decisions, we need to learn everything about everything, we need to know it all before starting something, right? We need to analyze, etc. Then it's wrong. It's a wrong worldview. And most of the time, if what you care about is just making money, then it's not the best mindset to have. And here is the reason, right? So I was about 3 or 5 years ago. I was watching internet videos about, hey, how you can make money online, what you can do, etc. And I was always looking at some smart ways, right? How can I build the next Facebook? How can I think of an idea that will change the world so I can build a startup and I can make lots of money, right? And being like a young kid from Armenia, from Eastern European country where the average salary is few $100s a month, I thought that it is a smart idea, right? That's how I will be able to break through and become wealthy or whatever, become financially free, right? But the thing that got me there, and if you don't know, I'm 21 right now, and I became financially free like over 2 years ago, right? I've made hundreds of thousands of dollars online. I was able to also help over 200 people to do the same. But the point that I'm making is that it happened when I watched a YouTube video like this, which told me that, hey, if you want to make money online, the best thing that you can do is to start social media, and it can be YouTube, and it can be without even showing your face, right? And what he said is the following. He said, if you start your channel, right, and if you just upload one video a week, right? I don't remember. Maybe it was one, maybe it was two from his words. But if you upload, let's say, 1 or 2 videos a week for 4 years, and you try to improve each one by a little bit, he said, I will guarantee that you will grow your channel and you will be making life-changing money, that you can quit your job, that you can change your life. He said you won't be a billionaire probably, but you will be making good money. You will probably be making more than $10,000 a month. And then I listened to it and I said, okay, cool. Like, yeah, maybe I will do that. Maybe I not. At that point, I was watching hundreds of videos on YouTube, right? Trying, like saying, oh, this won't work. It's a lie, right? Everything is not easy. I had that negative mindset, that limiting beliefs, right? But then what he said in the video really changed my life. He said, if you do that and you don't have any results, and if your channel won't grow and you won't make money online, right? I will give you $10,000. That's what he said. And that video got hundreds of thousands of views, and I thought, like, probably he's not lying. Otherwise, how is he going to pay that much money? So I thought, okay, then I guess I need to start, because if this person who is clearly successful said that I need just to get started and don't think that I'm smart, but just take bold action, and that's what most of the time lots of dumb people do, right? Because they don't think they're smart, they don't overcomplicate it, they don't go into analysis paralysis, they just start, they take action brutally, and they shorten the gap between their ideas and execution, right? So they just do the shit, they just put in the work. These people get the results. So I thought, okay, now I'm going to stop thinking that I'm smart, etc. I'm going to just do what this person told me to do, right? I'm going to start. So what I did at that time, I didn't know how to edit. At all. I didn't know anything about how should I edit videos, what should I record, etc. What I did, and I didn't even know English barely, I couldn't speak at all, right? Even now it's not the perfect, but I couldn't speak a word. So what I did is I downloaded the text-to-speech voice generator, and I literally put the script into it, because I've seen some other videos going viral on YouTube about that niche, right? It was videos for teenagers, etc. I've done that, and I downloaded the free editing software that I could, and I couldn't know how to edit at all. So what I did, instead of thinking, oh, I need to know everything about it, I need to go and learn it for years, I just opened the YouTube video. I typed, how can a beginner tutorial, how can I learn to edit with this software? I watched that 10-minute video, and I just did it, right? It was horrible. The first video that I made, it was faceless with text-to-speech, etc. And now, by the way, text-to-speech is not recommended for the videos, because YouTube doesn't like that much. But back then, I did that because I wanted to take imperfect action, right? Over just waiting and thinking, oh, what's the next smart thing that I can do? And then I just uploaded that video, and I kept repeating that process. And this is what happened. It didn't take me 4 years, as he said. You know how much it took me? It took me 3 months. Literally after 3 months, I started making more than $10,000 a month. Yes, maybe I got also some luck because of that niche was going trending at the time, but also because I just took action. And the people, and usually dumb people that are taking lots of action, right? There are also smart people, of course, that are taking lots of action, but most of the time, dumb people, they don't sit down and analyze, they just do it, right? They just take action and they get results. So that's what I wanted to do. And I emulated that and I also got results, right? And so far, I've made hundreds of thousands of dollars. I was able to travel the world, to go to Dubai to a vacation with my family, right? Change their life, go to United States, buy everything I want, buy this apartment, whatever, right? But the point I am making is it happened right after I stopped trying to be smart and I just started taking action. And if you do that as well, then you will be able to succeed, to succeed as well, right? Even you can see right now, right? I can barely speak. I couldn't speak English, right? But I'm making lots of money. Probably way more money than lots of people that went to university, went and studied for 15 years. There's nothing wrong with that. But if you go there and you become smart, you learn, and you never take action, you won't make as much as money as you want. And if you want that, that's okay, right? If you don't want to make money, that's like I'm not going to judge you, right? Do what you want. But if you want to make money, and that's probably why you're watching this video, right? I want to ask you, and I want to be the person that back then helped me. Just start taking action. Pick something. If you want to make money online, if it's Instagram, YouTube, this, that, you have heard about it. You know what you need to do. You don't have to know it all. You don't have to be perfect. You don't need to be caught in this analysis paralysis. Just start taking action. Emulate what dumb people are doing that are successful, and you will be successful as well, right? And by the way, last thing that I want to share with you is if you are smart, it doesn't mean you won't be successful, right? Like there are so many smart people that, of course, they are leading the world, they are making innovations, they are changing our world, but because they are also taking action. So if you can stop thinking that you need to be smart, but rather focus more on taking action, on executing, right? And adding on top of it your smartness or whatever, you will be able to succeed even more. But the point is that there are people that right now are way dumber than you, and they are making 10K a month or even more. I know them personally. And why I'm making this video is why I want to inspire some of you to go and take action. And if these dumb people can make so much money, then if you are smarter and if you take the action as well, you can make even more money, for sure. Right? Just don't wait. Don't keep watching more videos. Don't keep learning, no, just start taking action. Shorten the gap between when you have an idea and executing on it, right? Don't try to wait for the perfect moment. No, just start. Do the thing. Record the video. Record the podcast. Post it. Start the business. Whatever it is, right? And then you will see that you will make 10K a month way sooner than you thought. Right? So that's it. When I heard it back then, guys, that I saw so many dumb people making so much money, I got pissed off. I started taking action. It wasn't super easy. It was work, but it was at least something that changed my life completely, and it was very simple. So now instead of sitting there and thinking, oh, I'm so smart, etc., I just did the work and I got the results, right? And I'm not perfect at all. I still make mistakes. I'm not a billionaire or whatever, but I really changed my life drastically, and I've been able to make more than 10K a month for over 3 years, month in and month out, consistently, and way more than that. And one of the biggest reasons is because I started taking action, right? So right now, if you're watching this video, please start taking action. Don't overthink things, and you will see that you will get results. And now I want to do the same thing as a creator did to me 3 years ago, right? When he said that if you right now start taking action every day, and in 4 years you don't make 10K a month, go back, comment in this video, and I will reply to you and I will help you out, right? I won't give you $1 billion, whatever, but I promise you, I will make sure that you're happy, right? If you just, for 4 years, and don't bullshit it, right now, take action every day, try your best, right? Imperfectly, and in 4 years, you will see that you will make 10K a month or even more. But the funny thing is that as soon as you stop thinking that you are this smart person and just do the work, you make it way faster, right? It is, as I said, it requires work, but I think that you can do that, because if these people can do it, dumb people can do it, you can too. Because I think that the thing that stops us most of the time is ourselves. It's not that you don't know what to do, it's just you're overthinking it and you're not doing it and you're procrastinating. So please make sure to do that. And if you guys want a practical thing, right? You said, okay, Harold, you told us about this story. Now, what should I do practically, right? What should I focus on and take action so I can get the results? And the answer is, what helped me to change my life was YouTube automation. It's a business model that helps you to make money on YouTube without recording videos like this, without showing your face or making any videos yourself. And it's not bullshit, guys. I have all the proofs, right? It's not, these buttons are not fake right now. somewhere here will be a video where I reveal one of my latest channels. I show the whole process, how I do that, and how you can start as well and hopefully make $10,000 a month as soon as that's possible. As I said, it's not going to be overnight, but trust me, if you take action, it will happen sooner than you expect, okay? So make sure to watch the video somewhere here and you will get the practical tips. And if you guys have any comments, any thoughts about this, you agree, you strongly disagree, whatever, let me know in the comments and we will have a chat. And yeah, I hope you start taking action, and in 4 years, and hopefully for most of you way sooner, you will start making 10K a month. Because if these dumb people can do that, then you can do it too.